guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode. So, first of all, Sunday afternoon, I'm in my garage. Really hot outside today. I'm sweating, and that's just because I'm really out of shape. I used to be 170 and now I'm like 200, and my face looked like a $4.99 watermelon you get from Julasco. But you know what? It is what it is. I work from home and all I do is eat and work and maybe play Call of Duty at night. So that's why really out of shape. I need to start working out. Anyways, back to the car. 2 days ago, I installed the front splitters on the BMW F80 M3. I think the car looks so much better now, a lot more aggressive. My initial plan was to get the front splitters and the lip, but then I ended up changing my mind. I'm like, you know what, let me just get the splitters and then I'll see how the car comes out. I think it looks pretty clean, a lot more aggressive. I don't think I need a lip. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I get a lip? Maybe, maybe not, we'll see. But right now, really satisfied with the look. What I do know for sure is I will be changing the front grille. I will be getting the competition package grille because it's all black, because I just don't like the chrome. So black, blue, carbon fiber, I think we should be good. The installation was pretty straightforward. It comes with double-sided tape or 3M tape. So you stick them on, not much to it. You'll see the installation, not much to it. Pretty straightforward. But yeah, that's all I have for today. You'll see the installation. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I really appreciate if you can like, subscribe, share. Honestly, I would love to have 1,000 subscribers by December, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll just keep making videos and we'll go from there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.